Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make this simple macrame keychain. It is pretty easy to make, so let's get started. We will need in this tutorial two 3mm cords. Each one is 80 centimeters, as you can see here. And then the third cord is 50 centimeter to wrap things up. And finally, metal clamps. We use the small size because the cords we're using is small. Let's get started. We start with lark knot and we make sure that they're not the same size. The one in the middle is shorter than the one that's gonna face outward, because that's the yarn that we're gonna work on, and that's the cord that we're gonna be working with. Let me show you better when we start. So we start with lark knot. And then we move it there. So as you can see, the one here is shorter than this one. And we make sure that the second cord is the same size as the first cord, because we want our project to be the same size. And I did 20 in the middle and 60 on the sides, because we have 80 centimeter cord. So we go 20 and 60. Another lark knot. And again, we make sure that the shorter cords are in the middle and they are equal in size. That's how it looks. And then what I like to do is to pin them so they don't move. I don't like to hang them when I'm working. I like to do it like this because I feel it's easier to work with if it's like this. Of course, with bigger projects, I hang them, but that's a different story. What makes this project pretty easy, it's only we're using one knot the whole time, and it's gonna be a half square knot. We're not gonna do a full square knot, we're just gonna do half of it. So that's how we do it. It's pretty hard to explain, it's just better to show you in camera how to do it. And just make sure that everything is tight. And we continue doing it. Take this under and put it through. The farther you go, it will start twisting, but that's normal. That's the whole point of this project. If you're struggling with the twists, you can pin them, pin your knots, and continue doing your half square knot. I'm gonna do it until the end, and I will show you when I'm done and how to end things up, finish things up. So that's how my keychain look like. Pretty nice. And I will do now gathering knot here with the cord that we have, 50 centimeter. The gathering knot is as follow. So you make a loop, and then you wrap the cord around from up till down. It doesn't have to be a lot. I would suggest 3 or 4 because the project is small anyway, but just make sure that they are tight, like this. And then insert the one you've been wrapping inside the loop. And then there is this one, the up, and you start pulling it. And here you have it. And I will cut these extras and comb the end, and I will show you how things look like. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. See you on next video. Bye.